Kevin Fatty here. In this video, I want to show you how to import your data. It's probably one of the first steps. I'm going to cover JVZoo in this, and I'll make another video on Warrior Plus, but basically it's all important of how to follow the format. With JVZoo, it allows you to import via IPN. So basically, I just removed my IPN key for this video. You will place your IPN key in here, click Save, and click Test Connection. There is absolutely no reason why it should not work. The next thing is you need to click Import All. Now, this is super important, especially if you are impatient. In this case here, I've over $1 million in sales and over 44,000 sales inside JVZoo. So it's not going to import them instantly. It's the way it's set. It's set to basically import around 1,000 at a time, and then it continues and continues. So if you have 20, 30, 40,000 sales or 100,000 sales, you need to click import and basically leave it run for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. If you've only got 1 or 2,000 sales, it'll import in less than 30 seconds. And it's the exact same for affiliate import. This import here took me around 3 minutes, and this import here took around 15 minutes because it includes a lot more data. So just keep that in mind as well. And below you will see your import history, what you have imported in the past. This is actually for for Warrior Plus. So JVZoo is via IPN, and Warrior Plus, you need to import the CSV file. Now, I just want to cover one more important thing. Inside settings, there is a place for your JVZoo IPN and your Warrior Plus IPN key. They will be in here. You need to place both of them in here in settings as well. What happens then is it is going to trigger all of the new sales from JVZoo and Warrior Plus into the database for you. So that is a really cool feature. So that's just that important that the very first time you use the import feature, and after that, everything will be automatically updated once you have your settings correct. We will have basically an IPN log here, and all the sales will come in here via IPN. You'll be able to view them as well. Any questions, let me know.